Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. You can download the full project of the exact animation you have seen in the example, from the link in the description. After you've imported your footage into After Effects, create a new composition and name it Transition. For this example I'm using a full HD 1080 pixels preset, with 30 frames per second, and 4 seconds long. Bring the footage into your new composition. Move to 2 seconds. Click on Edit, and select Split Layer. Select these two layers, and delete them. Go to Effects and Presets panel, and search for Motion Tile. I will decrease the size of this image only to show you how this effect works, so you don't have to do it. Apply the effect to your image, and let's adjust some settings. Change the output width to 1000. Do the same with the output height. As you can see, the motion tile effect replicates the source image across the output image. To give it more continuity, select the Mirror Edges box. I will resize back my image. Move to 1 second and 15 frames, select your first image, and click P to open its position settings. Create a keyframe here. Then move a couple of frames forward. And drag your image to the right like this. Grab this keyframe, and drag it to 2 seconds. Select both keyframes, right-click on any of them, and ease them. Then open the graph editor, and change the curve like this. This will make the animation to start slower, and end very fast. Copy the motion tile effect from your first image, and paste it on the second one. Move to 2 seconds and 15 frames, and open the position settings. Create a keyframe here. Then move to 2 seconds, and drag your image in the opposite way as the first one, like this. Select both keyframes and ease them. Then open the graph editor and change the curve like this. This time we'll make the animation to start faster and end slower. Let's give some motion blur to our animation. Select these two boxes from here. If you don't see this panel, click on the toggle switches button to display it. Now click here to activate the motion blur. Let's check our final result. As you have seen in my example, you can create this transition in any direction, horizontal, vertical, and even on diagonal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create smooth rolling transitions in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials about interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.